welcome back to my YouTube channel. I don't know if I took too long. I probably did, but I did stress out, I'm not lying. I did stress out about something, and then you know what, made some thoughts, so I got this. So I am back, and I hope you guys are all good as well. Today we'll be doing the Q&A. I've asked these questions on my YouTube channel, on my Instagram, and that's where I got the questions from. So I have about 15 questions, and yeah, we'll answer them. I remember some shy, you know, so yeah, but your girl is gonna overcome that eventually, and we're gonna move on from that phase. All right, yeah. So let's start all these questions. I think the first question is, what made you want to start a YouTube channel? So guys, if you get to know me, I have so much videos from as a Jamaican would say, I have videos from Wacky Kill Philip. Yeah, but I have so much videos and pictures in my phone, and I just store them. Like, I record everything, and I like to rewatch my stuff as well. So I feel like it would be nice if I could record and actually, like, you know, share it with people and have fun with it, because I feel like I enjoy doing it. You get what I mean? So that's why I'm just like, I might as well start a YouTube. At first I didn't know where to start or how, but you know, I'm here today and I'm going to try. Yeah, so I hope I answer that question, right? Alright, cool. So the next question is, do you get mistaken for a teenager? 9 out of 10 times, yes. A lot of people think I am younger than my age, and as I said in my other video, my first video, I am 27 years old. Yes, so a lot of people mistake me for 19, or I'm just kitsch 20, or yeah, 21, which is good. It's good, but if I not have on a wig, if I don't have this wig on or do my lashes or something, I would actually look so young. But I like it sometimes. But sometimes more people know say, excuse me, I have some manners because I'm older than you. You know me, like, don't do that. But yes, yeah, I get that a lot. So people think I'm younger than I am. Younger than 27 basically. But yeah, next question, where do I want to be in 5 years time? In 5 years time, I feel like, say, that's such a burden to think where you want to be in 5 years time. So I'm giving myself a year or two, and that's about it. But 5 years, you can pass away tomorrow, so you don't want to plan. You could pass away tomorrow, so you don't want to plan too ahead. You get what I mean? You don't want to plan too ahead. You want to know that, okay, put yourself to where you can reach it, hopefully, because anything at all could happen. So I would say in a year or two, I want to be my own boss. So I want to have my own business. I already have an idea of what I want to do. So, and it will be in Jamaica, because eventually, yeah, you know, your girl wants to go back. So yeah, I want to be my own boss in a year or two. That's where I see myself working for myself, and you know, yeah. I got this question twice. It says, when do you plan on having a child? Guys, I wanted to have a child the end of next year. Yeah, I wanted to have a child the end of next year or middle of next year. You know what I mean? Cause me say one more girl so my left, and yeah, but maybe not. Maybe not. The next question is favorite country you have traveled to and why? So I've only traveled to 2 countries. Jamaica. 3 actually. Jamaica. You know, it's Jamaica that have the families. Duh. So Jamaica, the UK, because I live here now, and I've traveled to Morocco. But I feel like Jamaica will always be #1 for now. It's gonna always be #1 because it's home. You know what I mean? Like, where is better than home? Your family lives there. That's where you grew up. It's always sunny, beach. All your childhood friends are there as well. So Jamaica's still up on #1. So yeah. And then the next question is what is it like dating an Olympian? Guys, I don't care whatever my man did. I did love him for just him. You understand? I don't know my business what he was doing as a profession. I did just really and truly just love him for him. And yeah. So next question. Do you have any siblings? Guys, I do. I have all half siblings. So I have 4 brothers, 2 in Jamaica and 2 in England, and then I have 4 sisters. All my sisters are here. Yeah. So I have 8 and me make 9. Sorry, me have to count on my finger, but Jamaican man, them bad. Yeah, go back at these man, them 10 picnic them out. But yeah, carry on, let's go. Next question is what's your favorite color? My favorite color, guys, if you move a foreign, well, England at least, everybody wear dark color. You know, see nobody in a bright color. So I feel like I have adjusted to just wearing like darker stuff. So I like a brown, gray. That's what I'm into, like brown and gray, and you know, those kind of dark color. I wouldn't say I have a favorite, but top 3: black, brown and gray. Like, even when I buy clothes to go on holiday, you see them look, you know, I don't want to go too bright because I'm just like, ugh, but eventually that will change. Next question is favorite food. Guys, me's a foodie when we're ready. My love, you see my expression right now? Food and me go together real bad. I love my home cooked food, and I would say my favorite food is well, in the UK definitely I don't have a favorite food, but you see when time I go to Jamaica, me I eat everything. Cheese patty, my favorite, jerk chicken, anything my granny make, mega eat. Anything Jamaican fried where you know it's a cook from scratch, mega eat. I can't remember my favorite food right now. That's a bit hard. So next question is my favorite thing to do. My favorite thing to do is, I feel like I like to vibe on my own. I mean, like going to parties and stuff, no, I don't really like that at all. I grew past it. So what I like to do now is literally just staying at home, and I'll vibe to music. Literally, I have a speaker in my room, a big one that I'm literally turn on, and because I know I want to dance, I'll practice it, you know, like, yeah, I'll practice it the whole time to every song, and I just get myself in a good mood, like raw, like, you know, until I'm tired. Yeah, so yeah, I think my favorite thing to do is literally chilling by myself. But yeah, what was it like growing up in Jamaica? Guys, growing up in Jamaica is an experience. It's a very good experience. Like, I don't feel like if I grew up somewhere else, me that jump through the window already, because boy, growing up in Jamaica, it really is an experience by itself. You literally have to live it to understand, you know, like it was good. High school was good, my whole childhood was good. I was so happy. I'm glad me did born them time there. I'm glad me did come out for cities, because if me did born now, I would have been mad. I would have not punch ear, because boy. But yeah, growing up in Jamaica was very, very good. High school, I never miss school. No, I think I missed out of the whole year, apart from summer holidays. I remember missing school for only one time, and the time was when I was going to get my passport picture taken, and I had to miss school. And we did end up coming to school in that evening, you know, because if you miss school in Jamaica one time, you know, so you miss out everything. Beer things go on, like, bruh. So yeah, I didn't miss school a bit. And then the sports day, again, the home cooked food, if I even mackerel and rice, like, now you learn to appreciate how, you know, whatever you eat, like, bro, life was good back in the day. You understand? But yeah, next question, because sorry, I feel like I'm talking too much. But next question is it was for me to do a story time for something exciting that happened to me in Jamaica. Alright, I'm gonna make it quick and short. So when I went to Jamaica in January, I went to this place with my friends called Chaka. I don't remember, but we went there, and Chuku. I don't remember the name, but whenever I remember, I'll let you guys know. But we got to feed the birds. We did zip lining and everything. So while when I was doing the zip lining thing, I was the first one in the line, so I got to go across on the thing first, and then everyone else came over. But while everyone else was coming over, they let me stay. So I was just like, why is everyone else passing me when I was the one that came here first? I mean, like, it wasn't exciting, it was just weird and funny at the same time. So I'm sharing it with you guys because I had too much experience. But anyways, everyone went past me, and my friends was like, why Anifa still up there? So she can't, they were looking for me and I was still up there. So anyways, now when everyone had gone past on the other line, this guy attached his thing to mine. So instead of me going by myself, I had to strap my legs around him, and we was sailing on the zip line. And then guys, I was just like, Jamaican men are crazy, because what are you doing? We never asked for this. And best believe there was a full cameraman taking pictures on the ground while we was up in the air. But in all the pictures I was laughing, because what is going on? If my man did ever see it, but say. But anyways, next question. Dream job. My dream job is, as I said before, I want to own my own business. I want to do a water business. I want to have my own water business. So I feel like that's my dream job. Alright. And then, what do I do for a living? I am a restaurant manager. And yeah, I'm guessing that's why I like to stay by myself, because dealing with people all the time, them drive me crazy. That's an experience for itself. But you get to, like, you know, I mean, you could work your way up or evolve, or, you know, you get to understand people, well, some of them. Yeah, so it's an experience by itself. But I don't want to talk about work. You understand? But yeah, next question is, are you in a relationship? I am not in a relationship, unfortunately. But yeah, moving along. What was it like? I think this is my last question, because my auto birth. So it was like, what was it like when you first migrated from Jamaica? So growing up, that's a story. What was it like when I first migrated? It was very weird. I was crying because it was so last minute. I never get feel like spend the time with my friend. I never get feel like, you know, alright, this is my last time. Let me process it. It wasn't like that. I just did have to go the Friday, and I was in Kingston. I was on holiday in Kingston in Beverly Hills the same week. So I didn't get to really spend any time with my family, like, you know, maybe just have to get up and leave. And obviously, because I didn't know my parents and stuff, it was very hard. So me come now, and then foreign just was just, you know, like, wow. It wasn't wow, actually. It was just like, I can't breathe, because when I landed, the air was like very polluted. I couldn't breathe. Like 1 week in, my skin was stripping me. I said, once more go home. I was like, you know, I was very emotional. It was an emotional roller coaster for me. but oh, and the first time I tried the food, I was disgusting. The chicken, it never tastes good. The chicken never tastes good. Me not lie. Me used to it now, you know, but the chicken never tastes good. I remember biting a piece of the chicken and me just start ball. Me just say. And back home in Jamaica, I'm used to my grandma raised her own chicken, so you know say a be organic thing we eat, be organic food to the dull body. But yeah, that changed when I moved here, but it was very hard and I adjusted now, and yeah, it was an experience by itself as well. But yeah, I wish I was mentally prepared to move than just ending up here like that, but it is what it is. And we have come to the end of my Q&A. Maybe in the future I'll end up doing another one, but thank you guys for watching, for tuning in, and